channel. As you can see at the start of this video, the CUPRA's definitely got some issues, and pretty much in this video I'm going to go over everything that's wrong with the CUPRA. I know I kind of mentioned it in the original video for the track build, but there was certain aspects what need to be shown off more. For example, how bad the paint's got since I've owned it. Obviously, unfortunately, with lack of peel and how heavy the rain has been recently in the UK, obviously the water's got underneath the lacquer on the more of the bumpers, and like the plastic parts where it's had lack of peel, and got underneath it and kind of set. Because originally I wasn't too bothered about sorting the paint out, but with it being a hell of a lot worse than it was when I first got it, which kind of changed my mind a little bit. Kind of thinking about maybe getting the car fully painted now, which adds to the bill pretty much. As you can see in the start, which I'll show now. As you can see in the start of the video, there's a massive rattling, which is this. It's just the exhaust. I'll give it a kick, it'll be hot, but it's rattling, and pretty much right underneath, which you won't be able to see at the front, where the cat is. Well, I think there would have been a resonator or a silencer in the middle. It's got taken out and it hasn't got a clip there, so it's broke the clip pretty much where the cat is, and yeah, that's what that rattling is when it's on like a slope or when the car's cold. So that's a major issue and needs fixing now, before it snaps the whole exhaust off. But that's what I meant about the paint. As you can see, when it's rained, it's got underneath it and it's like dried. That's better. So it's like this, and the bumper, I mean, yeah, it's 10 times worse now than it was when I first got the car, which is a bit annoying. But obviously it has stone chips. The roof is just as bad as it was. The roof hasn't got worse, thankfully, but like I said, it's mainly the plastic bits. So like the spoiler is worse than it was. As you can see, this has got a lot worse in a short time I've owned the car. And yes, I know it needs a clean, but it gets dirty because a lot of houses getting built near where I live, so the dust comes over. It's going to need a full job, which originally I didn't really want to do because I wasn't too bothered by it, but like here especially, you see the difference there. Obviously, so this is another issue. This tyre keeps going down, so we've got a slow puncture. And I was going to mention this about these Brembo's, because obviously these are meant to kind of be red. So he's been refurbished in black, and it's a shit job, and they're very hot. And I'm wearing a white jumper. Right down the grass. Obviously, with it being 20-year-old, the plastics are a bit mank. Like, that's coming now. These ones were worn out. The doors, this door, it's got rubber here, so I don't know if this was an issue from factory, but well, this is a generic issue with these. But it collects all the water here, so I'm glad it does have this. So I'm making that bottom rubbers are all knackered, which is expected. The ones around the window are knackered. I'm trying to push it back in. Obviously because it's a window rubber, I don't want that leaking and collecting water somewhere that I don't want it. Won't be good at all. Like, it's 20-year-olds, you know what I mean? So a lot of the rubbers, obviously the bike just faded, and the front ones fell off. We didn't have it when I had it, but you know, it fell off at some point. Say we should probably be here on the driving portion on the way here, and some clips there, insert. I just smashed it down single track back road, so it's probably not the smartest idea. Also, you hear it when it hits a bump. It's like dump, dump. But the suspension, it has got like coilovers and springs on it. It's on lowering springs and different shocks. So technically, they're not adjustable. So it's just, I don't think they're the same. So it's not coilovers. It's just, you know, different shocks and different lowering springs. Obviously with track cab, it being stiff, it's going to be like that. I'm not too bothered, but that I could tell it's not because it's stiff, that it's shit. So at some point soon, probably after first track day, which is actually the 30 June at Croft with Javelin track days. But yeah, we've got a track day coming up in just over a month, so we need to get a lot of the work done before then. Coilovers and that won't get done till after. I'm not making money, you know what I mean? I've got, you know, everything's expensive, and you know, there's not much I can really do. But obviously, yeah, the suspension's a bit, it's a bit hit and miss. I had a look underneath, different arms at the bottom which have poly bushes in them. They're that dirty, I can't tell which ones they are, but I actually think the black series poly bushes, which if I remember right is the hardest ones. Don't quote me on that, I'm not too sure. One of the other things I like to get before the track day is a dog mount. The engine flexes quite a lot, and you can tell, but it'd be nice to get a dog mount just to keep it a bit more sturdy up the front. Yeah, so the suspension's not great. The brakes are alright, but I want to put some Frodo pads in the Brembo's at the front, and I need to sort the rear. Oh yeah, that's what I'm doing. So the back right brake cable's swollen up. If you look at it, you can see where it's swollen. So that needs changing, because that's sticking the back right brake, which, you know, not what you want, because I don't want to be sticking a bit in it, cooking the brake. And yeah, so I want them at the front. I'm going to put some new pads in the back, just new pads back and front. Obviously they're just standard, like I think the standard 2-pot brakes at the back, sorry. So we'll be out flash fitted. See what I can get in. I don't really want to mix it up too much, because I'll have Frodos at the front, which for the 4 pots, which are a bit more grippier. There we go. So as I got the cover on, I had the Audi one, I was driving the CUPRA one because I lost it. And obviously there's the dump valve. Anyway, so if you can see here, that cooling pipe's leaking. And one down there, which, as you can see there, that one's also leaking. So I bought the 12-piece Quasar Motorsport. Ironically, it's already got some parts on. 12-piece, all coolant hoses, and the other kit I bought was for the thermostats, for the thermostat housing and all that aluminium pieces. They fixed the leaking. That's just got it's got the bigger thing on it already, but it's rubbing by the looks of it, if you can see there. So I need to, when I get all this out, I'll have to sort this out and see how it looks. What's this? Oh, 1 sec. There you go, can't see it now. Anyway, you can see I was rubbing a bit there. Ain't ideal at all. It's not what you want. So I'll sort that out. But, oh, and also, I want to take the throttle body off, put a new gasket on, and clean this out, because I mentioned 131,000 miles, that's full of shit. Anyway, in the boot, which I shall show you. Apart from my football bag and my tripod, which I bought, which we can get outside shots with at some point. These are all the thermostat housing and other bits. Came on pipe. Yeah, there. 4-piece cast aluminium coolant, thermostat flange, upgrade kit, and then this is all the coolant new pipes with strawberry clips in the bottom. So at some point soon, get rid of that. This will be going on. AKA, my dad will be doing it because I'm a mechanic. And that's just the filter for the inside, which I haven't bought yet because I've got. And yeah, so that's pretty much everything what's wrong with it. Oh, and this. pretty much most things that are wrong with it there. Just 20-year-old car stuff, you know what I mean? There's not much you can really do about it, unfortunately. I'm in the middle of fucking nowhere, so you're going to hear animal. That is everything that's wrong with my CUPRA R. Quite a few stuff that are easy to fix, to be fair, nothing really major. Apart from the paint is a hard fix, because obviously get your car all repainted. So yeah, like I said, fucking no echo, didn't you? Like I said, 20-year-old car, not horrible things wrong with it. Stuff we can fix. Will be expensive though. But yeah, thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, as it does help the channel to get to a wider audience. Drop a comment below on ideas I can do to fix some of the issues on the car, or stuff I should look out for with these CUPRA Leons. And if you did enjoy, please hit subscribe and hit the alarm bell to get notifications when I upload. We'll try and upload more when I get free time. There's work on the lot in a minute. And yeah, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Peace.